Hi you guys, here's a quick review on this TY Beanie Buddy 2005 Cutesy the Terrier Dog Plush. Without further ado, let's get into the review. This thing looks pretty cool looking, very nice, the ears, there's the tag, pretty nice Beanie Buddies, here's the back, there's the back. Very nice. So here he is like this. And like this, pretty nice. And like this. This thing's like so cute and adorable. And here he is like this. He kind of looks almost like a bear almost. As you can see, he kind of looks almost like a bear. There's the collar thing, pretty cool. He actually has nice, gorgeous blue eyes. Like, look at those eyes. Look how blue those are. Whew, that is blue. They're plastic. Here's the tush tag. Pretty nice. And the back. Cute. So here he's like this, pretty nice, and like this, pretty nice and cool looking, and like this. Yeah, this thing is like so awesome looking. Like, I've been wanting this thing forever, like literally forever. Here he is like this, nice, and like this. This thing is like so awesome looking. There's his feet, pretty nice. There's the tag again. Let me just set down the camera. Let me show you what the tag looks like. All right. So let me just open up the tag and see what it is. It says, Cutesy. Cutesy the Beanie Baby was named simply because it's the cutest dog ever. That's very nice. Alright, got the tag back on. And let's finish the review. Alright. Here he is. Very nice looking plush. And here he is like this. Pretty cool. And like this, like, let me show you the colors in him. Like, look at those colors. Like, oh my gosh, those colors are like popping out and awesome. Like, those colors are really, really cool colors. Look at those beautiful colors. This plush, like, oh, like, look at my finger running through that fabric. That's awesome. And here he is like this. And at the back. Pretty nice. And like this. Super cool looking plush. And there's his face again. Here he is at the bottom. There's his nice. Here's his paws. Very cool. There's the stitching work in his paws, which is really, really nice. And here's the front paws. Very, very nice. Very nice looking fabric in the plush. Very cool. Like, look at how awesome this thing looks. There's his face. Very nice. Now, Unfortunately, guys, I'm not too sure what breed of dog this is. It kind of looks like some sort of a terrier dog, but for me, I think it's just a mix. I think this thing's probably a mutt. It's probably a mixed terrier, I think. So, anyways, I don't know. But, well, that's it. Alright, guys. That's the quick review on this TY Beanie Buddy 2005 Cutesy the Dog Plush. Alright, guys. Bye.